John Deere 7000 7010 small frame. So we sell a hood package. You get the hood. One, when we sell a hood package, it's because there's been a wreck. Somebody's hit something. So you get the hood. You get the side panels, side screens. You get the front grille. We include the little plate on the bottom here. Same thing on the other side. We also sell the cooling package, which would be the radiator, hydraulic cooler, transmission cooler, everything right there in the front that you would have comes off as a module. Then if you need extra pieces, those can be added as long as we have them. Now, this is just an example. This is a specific stock number. They're not all in this great shape. They all may be missing a piece or two, which is, we adjust the price for that. So this is an example video or a reference video. And basically each stock number would have its own imaging and own video. And if we can help you out on anything, let us know.